Hi friends, my name is Dhokne Abhishek. Today's video topic is OOPS means Object Oriented Programming System. Object means a real world entity such as a pen, chain, table, computer, watch, etc. Object Oriented Programming is a methodology or a paradigm to design a program using classes and objects. It is simplify software development and maintenance by providing some concepts, object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. First is a class. Class is a user-defined blueprint to prototype which object are created, is repeated is a set of property or method that are common to use object of one type. Using classes, you can create multiple objects with the same behavior. Instead, writing the code of multiple lines, this include classes for object current more than occurs your codes. In generate class declaration can method components in order. First is a modifier. A class can be public, have default access access to refer for details. Second is a class name. The class name should begin the initial letter capitalization by convention. Third is a superclass, if any. This name of this parent class, if any procedure by the keyword extend, a class can extend the one parent. Fourth is a interfaces, a comma separate list of interfaces implemented by the class. If any procedure of keyword implements, a class can implement more are interfaces. Fifth is a body. The class body is surrounded by branches. Next is object. An object is an basic unit of object-oriented programming representation, real life entity. A typical Java program create many objects, which is increased in hooking method. The object are what perform your code, and they are part of your visible to the viewer user. And object is mainly consist of first is a state. It is represented by attribute of an object. It is also reflect the properties and object. Next is abstraction. Data abstraction is the property by virtue of which by only essential details are displayed to the user. Uh, Next is encapsulation. It is define the wrapper up of data under a single unit. It is the mechanism of build together the code of data is manipulates another to way the bringing access in the outside ships. Next is inheritance. Inheritance is an important pillar of object-oriented programming language. There are first is a superclass, subclass, and reusability. Thank you.